how long did it took you to build the MVP for the thread start?
Yeah, so I started this, or I had, before I even started it, I had this crazy idea in mind that I would split this whole development process into 3 phases, where like the first phase is just one day, in which I had to get at least 1 newsletter subscriber, and then the second phase, which is 1 week to actually build like the smallest minimal version of it. And then the third phase, which has the goal of attracting 1 customer. So as a proof of concept that it's like a good product and monetizable. So I had this idea and I thought, okay, well, let's structure everything like this. And then I started, I think in the last week of December or right before Christmas, I started this 1-day sprint where I just created the website and like the most minimal UI JavaScript thing that let it appear, or that did this whole text splitting where you enter just a few sentences and it automatically creates these little pieces of text that would later become tweets, just to give the user a rough idea of what is to come. And that actually worked in a day. I got about 10 subscribers and I figured, okay, that's the goal achieved. So I will continue with the phase 2 to the 1 week sprint in January. And that's what I did. So in the second week of January, I said, okay, I have now 1 week time to do this, and started building the core functionality. So this whole text splitting and page or tweet numbering. So it really worked. I was a bit surprised. I wasn't sure how far I could get within 1 week, especially making the experience that I tend to over-engineer and overthink my projects completely. But it really did work. So after 1 week, I had the MVP. I had the first, I think, 15 users on the launch day.
Okay.
So yeah, I actually managed to fit it into 1 week. And I think that's the biggest lesson here, is that if you artificially restrict the amount of time you give yourself to have this product, you'll have to fit it in the time frame. At least you will do as much as you can in this 1 week, and at the end of it you might have a working product. But I know if I wouldn't have set myself a time limit, I would have probably worked like a month or 2 on it and would still be the exact same functionality.